Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. One of the rear 3 wheels on each side is what we'll be replacing. The front wheel has a plastic stopper at the front and is a separate part number. The other wheels on the lower basket don't have the plastic stopper. Lift the basket up and out of the dishwasher. Simply pull up and away to unclip the wheel from the dishwasher's lower basket. Unpackage the new dishwasher bottom basket wheel. Make sure it's the correct way round before installing. Attach the new front wheel to the basket wire. Reinsert the bottom basket into the dishwasher. And that's it! Your new dishwasher bottom basket wheel is all set to go.